So what we did in the United Nations was engage in moderated debate. We found it a lot of fun, and I'd also like to thank our faculty, Luis, Christian, and Annabella, Alessio, and Dan. We couldn't have done it without them. All of our practice was because of them. So I'll head over to him. So as I said before, we engaged in moderated debate. We spoke in front of lots of people. We made groups inside of committees, and we ended up pushing to 2 awards, both of excellence, which means second place in research and preparation and overall performance. He placed number 1 in his committee, so that's what we did.
Well, the United Nations is basically a simulation of how the United Nations actually works. So you impersonate politicians and how it actually works in the United Nations. And that is what we did throughout 3 days of competitive in the competition. And we ended up, as he previously said, winning 2 awards in the debate that took over 3 days. We won an award of excellence for our research and preparation and our overall performance. The research and preparation was before our committee and our competition. So the research and preparation was the research that we did here in the island, the work we did every Sunday, every time we met up with the faculty advisors. And the overall performance is how we performed during the actual conference.
Well, se está una experiencia hopi bom para Muchanan. A nós como padres nos estamos orgullosos de nan para sobre essa etapa su futuro. Nos está papeando mainta com coach nan, si nos por influenciar más otro Muchanan de otra escuela na Aruba para por ti un mejor futuro. O nos está preparando más o menos unos 6 lunas. En anta todo el día domingo mainta, en anta preparar, en anta estudia hobby. Promé 3 días de conferencia en anta trabaja hobby duro, estudia hobby y después evento también. Nos ha hobby orgulloso, pues ahora está 8,000 Muchanan en evento y ya no está second position, pero en Muchanan está haciendo un trabajo basta bueno. Hobby orgulloso, sí.
El evento se está organizando, la delegación de Aruba se está preparando desde hace 4 años. Han participado varios colegios, principalmente el International School, el Skakel y otros Montessoris. Habían 12 niños, 7 niñas y 4 varones en esta oportunidad. Súper orgullosa. Mi hijo ha participado durante 3 años y el crecimiento ha sido exponencial. Tuvo la oportunidad de hablar delante de todo el comité de la conferencia y la oportunidad de haber seleccionado a hablar con la vicepresidenta Kamala Harris en esta oportunidad. Esto es una preparación, es una inversión hacia el futuro de los niños.